Hello and welcome to Incredible Wilderness. My name is Katerina. Are you also a person like me who has trouble to find right fitting clothes? You know, sometimes the arms are way too short, or even if it's your size, it's way too big. Yeah? So I might have a really cool solution for you. So see you after the teaser. Today I'm here with my very good friend Ulrike in her sewing studio. Hi Ulrike.
Hi, welcome.
Thanks for having me. So Ulrike sews baby clothes, kids clothes, and for a very short amount of time also clothes for adults. So you can find her work under her social media profiles, which I put down in the description box, so please make sure to visit her. So and today what a very cool thing is, she sews me my very own well-fitted hoodie. So, shall we start?
Let's do it.
Well, look at this awesome sweater. Finally, the sleeves are long enough. It's not wide anymore, it fits perfectly, and look at this. Such a perfect hood which fits my head. So we chose the color blue because of the blue sky around the world, and the stars on here remind me on the African night sky. So thank you, Ulrike, for that amazing piece you sewed for me.
No problem. You're welcome. I'm so excited to do more stuff for you.
Ooh, so while we think of something more to sew for me, I would say you can hit the subscribe button, and I would say just, as always, stay incredibly wild.